In this video, I'm going to talk about how to take a scrolling screenshot on your iPhone. So let's get started. So first of all, it is really hectic or it's kind of really complicated when you cannot take a complete screenshot or a complete page of a screenshot. So right now, as you can see, I'm on my Chrome. So if something very important pop-ups, I want to take a screenshot. So there is the usual way. Usually we take a screenshot by just pressing the volume up along with the power button over here. When you press it together, as you can see, when you press it together over here like this, you can see this is a normal way how the screenshot is to be taken. But right now, if you want to take a complete page screenshot, what you need to do is you just need to go over here. Just take the screenshot just in the usual way. Over here, you have to press it both. And now you just need to tap on this one. Right now, as you can see, that is going to take you to this. And right now over here at the top, you can see we have two options. The first one is for the screen and we have an option called full page. So if we change this to the full page, as you can see right now, this is being set into the full page over here. And this is what here it is, everything related to my search, that is Stranger Things, and I have taken a screenshot over here. And right now, if you wanted to save it, you can save it. So to do a save, you just need to go over here, tap on it. And right now, either you can change it on save to photos, or you can save it as a PDF files. Or if you wanted to copy and delete, you can delete it. Or if you want to delete the screenshot, that is also possible. So let me go over here, save to the photos, and that is done. Now, if I go over here, my photos, as you can see right now, if I go over here, this is the first screenshot that I took, which is a very random one. And also if I go over here, you can see this is the screenshot that I took, which is of a complete page. So if you find like any kind of things very important to you, if you want to take a screenshot, this is what you have to do. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.